What if I told you that the powerful, expensive desktop software you rely on, the $100 video editors, the subscription-based graphic design suites, the complex audio workstations, has a secret? A secret living right in your pocket. The truth is, your Android phone is not just a phone anymore. It's a portable power station, capable of running applications so advanced they are not just alternatives to desktop software. In many cases, they are superior. But navigating the endless sea of apps to find these hidden gems, that's the real challenge. Which ones are truly powerful enough, and which ones just pretend to be? Stick with me because in the next 20 minutes, we are going to unlock your phone's true potential. I have spent months testing hundreds of applications, and I've distilled them down to 5 game-changing Android apps that will not only replace, but in some ways surpass over $100 worth of desktop software. We're talking about professional-grade video editing, vector graphic design, audio production, and even 3D modeling, all running on the device you already own. By the end of this, you will have a toolkit that transforms your Android device into a creative and productivity powerhouse, saving you a significant amount of money and freeing you from your desk forever. Let's start with arguably the most impactful category, video editing. For years, if you wanted to edit videos with the kind of precision and power that professionals use, you were looking at a several $100 subscription to Adobe Premiere Pro or a hefty one-time fee for Final Cut Pro. But what if you could get that level of control for free on your Android device? The answer is KindMaster. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Isn't KindMaster just another basic mobile editor? And that's exactly what I thought too, until I dug into its professional-grade features. KindMaster offers a multi-layer timeline, which is the absolute bedrock of professional editing. You can stack video clips, images, text, and stickers independently, giving you granular control over every single element on your screen. It features precision keyframe animation, allowing you to create smooth, custom movements and transformations for any layer. You can add external audio tracks and adjust them on a separate audio layer with sample level control. It supports 4K export, chroma key for green screen effects, and a vast asset store. This isn't just a mobile app. This is a full-fledged portable editing suite that rivals the core functionality of desktop counterparts. The best part? While there is a subscription for unlocking all assets, the core, powerful editing features are completely free to use. So you can create content that looks like it was edited on a high-end desktop, all from your phone on the go. But stunning video is only half the battle. What about the graphics that go inside it? The logos, the thumbnails, the social media posts? On desktop, the undisputed king is Adobe Illustrator, a program that costs over $20 a month. But what if you need to create a scalable vector logo while you're commuting, or design a complex thumbnail while sitting in a coffee shop? This is where the second app on our list completely changes the game. Infinite Design. Infinite Design is not just a drawing app. It is a full-featured vector design studio in your pocket. Vector graphics are crucial because they can be scaled to any size without losing quality, essential for logos and print. This app gives you a powerful symmetry tool, perspective grids, and an almost limitless canvas. The brush engine is incredibly sophisticated, allowing you to create anything from calligraphic strokes to complex patterns. You have full layer support, just like on a desktop, and the ability to create smooth Bezier curve-based shapes. The learning curve is a bit steeper than a simple sketching app, but that's because it's offering professional-grade tools. The free version is remarkably powerful, with a one-time purchase to unlock even more advanced features. This app effectively demystifies vector design, making it accessible to anyone with an Android device, and completely negates the need for an expensive Adobe subscription for most users. Now, let's talk about the sound that accompanies your visuals. Crisp, clean, professional audio can make or break your content. On desktop, Audacity is the beloved free champion, but it's tethered to your computer. For our third app, we're moving beyond simple voice memos and into the realm of a true multi-track audio workstation. And the king here is an app called Audio Evolution Mobile. Think of Audio Evolution Mobile as a portable version of Pro Tools or Ableton Live. This is not an exaggeration. It supports multi-track recording, meaning you can record your voice, a guitar, and a software synthesizer all on separate tracks, and then mix them together.
It has a full built-in mixer with EQ, compression, reverb, and dozens of other studio-grade effects that you can apply to each track individually. It even supports MIDI, allowing you to connect keyboards and control virtual instruments. The interface is dense because it's built for power, and the free version allows you to work on projects with up to 4 mono audio tracks, which is more than enough for most podcasts, voiceovers, or simple song ideas. This app shatters the notion that serious audio production requires a studio. You can now record, edit, and produce broadcast quality audio anywhere you have your phone and a pair of headphones. We've covered video, graphics, and audio. But what if your project requires something more three-dimensional, something tangible? This is where our 4th app enters, and it's arguably the most mind-blowing one on the list. For anyone involved in design, 3D modeling, or 3D printing, software like Blender or ZBrush is essential, but it has a legendary learning curve and requires significant hardware. What if you could sculpt in 3D with an intuitive touch-based interface as easily as drawing in the sand? Let me introduce you to Nomad Sculpt. Nomad Sculpt is a powerhouse 3D sculpting application that brings the tactile feel of working with digital clay to your Android device. Using touch and stylus input, you can push, pull, pinch, and smooth your 3D models with an incredible sense of direct control. It features dynamic topology, multiple sculpting brushes, painting and texturing tools, and even a powerful rendering engine that can produce stunning, near photorealistic images of your creations. It's used by professional concept artists and hobbyists alike. While it is a paid app, its one-time purchase is a fraction of the cost of a single year of a desktop 3D software subscription. And it does things that were literally impossible on a mobile device just a few years ago. This app doesn't just replace desktop software, it redefines the entire workflow, making 3D creation more accessible and intuitive than ever before. Now, before we get to our 5th and final app, which is perhaps the most versatile tool of them all, consider this. We've replaced specialized software for video, vector art, audio production, and 3D. But what about the ultimate productivity tool? The one that replaces your word processor, your presentation software, and your spreadsheet program all at once. The desktop world is dominated by Microsoft Office, a suite that costs well over $100. And while there are mobile versions, they are often limited. Our 5th app, however, is a suite that is not only completely free, but in many ways more powerful and integrated for a modern cloud-based workflow. I'm talking about the absolute titan, Google Workspace. Now, I know you're thinking everyone knows about Google Docs and Sheets, but have you ever truly leveraged its power as a direct replacement for desktop software? Google Docs offers real-time collaboration, version history, and a vast library of add-ons that rival Microsoft Word. Google Sheets supports complex functions, pivot tables, and scripting with AppScript, making it a genuine alternative to Excel for all but the most extreme data analysts. Google Slides creates clean, professional presentations that are instantly shareable. The magic is in the ecosystem. Your files live in the cloud, accessible from any device, eliminating the "I forgot the file on my other computer" problem. For the vast majority of students, professionals, and creators, the free Google Workspace apps are not just a compromise. They are the superior choice for a collaborative, mobile-first world. It's the final piece of the puzzle, replacing the most ubiquitous paid software suite in the world. And there you have it, 5 Android applications that have just dismantled the need for over $100, if not thousands, in desktop software subscriptions. You now have KindMaster for professional video editing, Infinite Design for vector graphics, Audio Evolution Mobile for studio quality audio production, Nomad Sculpt for intuitive 3D modeling, and the entire Google Workspace for all your office productivity needs. This isn't just about saving money. This is about liberating your creativity and productivity from a single location. The most powerful computer really is the one you have with you. The techniques we use today to unlock your phone's potential build directly on a foundation we laid in a previous deep dive, where we explored how to turn any Android device into a full remote desktop, accessing your home computer from anywhere in the world. Pairing that knowledge with what you've learned today makes your phone arguably the most versatile device you will ever own. I'm genuinely excited to see what you create with this new toolkit. The barrier between an idea and its creation has never been thinner. Go build something amazing.